What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax, and hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over Polygon. Currently, we're sitting at 40 cents, up 1.5 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 3.14 billion, 24-hour volume 585 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So here's Matic. So here's an alternative wave count. Previously, we had a wave 3, a wave 4, and a potential wave 5, which could be the bottom for Matic. But honestly, I really don't think this is the bottom for BTC or Matic. It could be, but if BTC comes down to 17 to 19K, wave 3 was kind of short. If this was our wave 3, I was noticing that it was quite short here. This would make more sense because if we take our fib retracement from the bottom of wave 1 up to the top, usually your wave 3 is going to land in between the 2 and the 2.618. It did make it down to the 2, but here's the 2.618 where we currently found support. So this is a possible wave count where this was a larger wave 3 and we've gone through a bit of an ABC corrective wave 4 looking for that final wave 5. Now, of course, we can consolidate here and go through a bit of a longer, larger correction as we did back here. I don't think it will be a month and a half like it was here. This was a bit of a shorter drawdown, but this could be your potential wave 3. And if we take our Fibonacci from the top of wave 2 down to the bottom, it has retraced for a 50% retracement, potential wave 4. Looking for that wave 5 that could bring you down to about 28 to 32 cents. Now, a little bit of confluence here. I mean, the daily candle hasn't closed yet. Just going to quickly take out this Fibonacci. But what we have here is a little bit of a bear flag that looks like it started to break down. So I'm just going to draw out the flag here. So if you see a daily close below about 40 cents, we could see a little bit of a bear flag. And if we measure our flagpole, we take it to our point of breakout, that takes you right down to that 28-cent price target as well. And as I've been mentioning in previous videos, often your wave 5 will be the same length of your wave 1. So if we take a measurement of wave 1 and we take it down to wave 4, the top of wave 4, and we straighten it out here, you're looking at about 29-30 cents for that wave 5. So potentially, I do think we have a little bit more room to come down to this swing low. Oh, sorry, I just got to grab this phone call. Hello, hello. Hello. Hi. And we're back. One of my lady friends, she forgot her weave here, so she just came to pick it up. And I told her, you know, there's easier ways to tell me that you want to see me again. All right, so we'll finish off the video here for Matic. So potentially the bottom could be in. I don't think it's a likely scenario. I do think we have one more final wave down. Could be starting here. We could be creating a wave 1 where we're coming down, you know, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to bring us down to that 28 to 30 cent price target. But we'll see. We'll see if we just do some consolidation here or if we come straight down for that final 5th wave, or if this is truly our bottom here for Matic. As I've been saying, I do think BTC has one more little leg to come down. ADA has yet to break that previous low. Oh, let me just turn this off. Yet to break that previous low and complete that wave 5, in my opinion. So I do think Matic will come down for one more wave, but it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, just a young guy from Canada. I do give trade signals. Currently, we're making some juicy profits, shorting ADA here at the $10 membership. You can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits. Also, we have over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And the DCA trade strategy, very simple method of trading, buy and take profit zones. If you want to start dollar cost averaging into your position, sign up through the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.